Okay.
Bida na naman si Tori.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the media briefing, we are going to transport Asek Laika from St. Luke's Hospital to Veterans Hospital. This is in compliance with the directive.
Talagang ipagpilitan nilang masunod yung gusto nila.
To Major General Napoleon Taas as the Sergeant at Arms. The PNP is assisting
Hawakan nila talaga yung chip si Attorney Lopez.
Medical facility for Attorney Zulaika Lopez. Dated November 23, 2024. Ang nakasulat dito, considering that as requested, Attorney Zulaika Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared by the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City, and this is consistent with the standard practice of the House of Representatives to entrust detainees to government facilities for immediate implementation and signed by the authority of the Speaker.
Sir, kanina po nauna na po sa veterans, bakit po hindi pa sa St. Luke's sa ibabalik naman sa veterans?
Well, may mga choices kanina. Sina Attorney Lopez to be examined here in St. Luke's. At ito nga, na-examine na sila ng St. Luke's and St. Luke's Hospital given them clearance to be discharged and to be brought back to the Veterans Medical Center. Well, according to the doctor, she's okay to be transported to Veterans Medical Center.
Sir, pumasok kayo sa loob, nakausap niyo si VP Sara. Ano yung naging usapan niya before the transfer?
We just iron things out, especially the convoy package. Kung paano kami mag-move from here to Veterans Hospital.
Wala naman pong any contestation? Wala namang...
It's okay na. Basta, we're going to be moving now. Pagkatapos yung tigilan na tatanong, at doon na ulit ang tanong pagdating sa veterans.
Parang arrest ba to?
Well, I just don't know what term will it be, but sa amin dito is we will assist Major General Taas in transporting Asek Laika Lopez from St. Luke's to Veterans.
Sir, pagkatapos po ba sa veterans, direct po sa veterans?
Sa kanila natin pag-usapan pagkatapos sa veterans. So, kaya mo natin veterans, paano matatapos yan? Tinatanong nyo po rin. So, simulan natin at we will start pagkatapos ng interview na to, and we can move from St. Luke's to Veterans.
Sir, last na, attempted homicide daw, may gano'ng
Hindi ko siya. Ayaw ko doon to comment on it until na makita ko po eh. I haven't heard, hindi ko pa naririnig, first time.
Sir, sa akin po yung pabot, may banta pa po si VP Sara na patayin po si Mark Marcos. Dala na po ba siya sa inyong advice regarding to the case po na St. Luke's?
Hindi ko pa rin nakikita yung banta na yun. For the whole morning, nandito ako at nag-facilitate yung transfer na ito. So, please refer it to other authorities. Wala akong
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, baka pwede na...
So, andito na po si General Torre para i-transfer si Attorney Lopez. Ayan po mga kawain. At siya po yung mula po kaninang umaga ay nagpapacilitate, no?